Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make fake calls and messages using TBomb. This video is for just educational purpose. Don't misuse it, otherwise you will be in trouble. I will put all the commands in description below, so no further delay. Let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store and search Termux. Install Termux. It will take some time to install. Be patient and wait for it. Downloading, open it. After the app Termux open, type the first command apt update and press enter. It will ask for some permissions, just press Y and allow them. Now the second command apt upgrade and press enter. Give the permission Y, yes. Again it is asking for our permission, just type Y and press enter. Y and press enter. After that type pkg, install Python and press enter. Give the permission, type yes and enter. When you are working on first time on TBomb, it will take some time to install in your Android device. After that, type pkg, install Python 2 and press enter. After that, type the next command pkg, install git and press enter. Allow the permission Y, yes and enter. Now the next command git git clone space. Open your Chrome browser and search git clone TBomb. Click on the first link you see and copy the link. After that, paste it in the command line and press enter. After that, type cd and press enter, then ls, then press enter. After that, type cd TBomb and press enter. After that, bash space TBomb.sh and press enter. And then press any key to continue. Just press enter. Wait to complete all the process and then press enter. And you are done. Just enter 1 to start SMS bombing. Firstly, you have to type your country code without plus symbol, then the mobile number, then what is the frequency you want to set for the message, and how many message you want to make. Here you have to enter your country code without plus sign. So I will enter my number, enter messages, how many message you want to make. I will put 10, then enter how many delay time. I will put 10 seconds. Recommended thread is 1, so I will go with that. Then 1, enter. You have to press enter to continue. It will take some time. Here you can see 4 sent, 4 successful, means this number has received 4 messages. I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe our channel and join us. So that's all for today. See you guys in another video. Subscribe my channel.